In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Chrome cache, disable interfering extensions, and reload NerdWallet properly. If a website like NerdWallet is not loading correctly, looks broken, or keeps showing outdated information, one of the most common causes is your browser cache or an extension interfering with the page. The good news is that this is usually very easy to fix, and I'll walk you through it clearly. First, open Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, use the keyboard shortcut to open the clear browsing data window. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press Command, Option, and E. This will bring up the menu where you can remove stored browser data that may be causing the issue. When that window appears, look for the option labeled Cached Images and Files. Make sure that option is selected. This clears temporary website files that Chrome saves to help pages load faster, but sometimes those saved files become outdated or corrupted. When that happens, a site may not display or function the way it should. After selecting cached images and files, click Clear Data and give Chrome a moment to finish. Next, check whether a browser extension might be interfering with the site. In Chrome's address bar, type Chrome/extensions and press Enter. This opens the extensions page where you can review the add-ons currently installed in your browser. Some extensions, especially content blockers, privacy tools, or script-related add-ons, can sometimes prevent certain parts of a website from loading properly. From this page, disable any extension that may be causing a conflict. If you're not sure which one is responsible, you can temporarily turn off extensions one by one and test the site after each change. Once that's done, go back and reload nerdwallet.com. In many cases, the site should now load correctly. If you still run into the same problem, try opening the site in an incognito window instead. To do that, press Ctrl, Shift, and N on Windows, or use the equivalent incognito option on your Mac. An incognito window runs without most extensions and without using the same cached browsing session, which makes it a helpful way to quickly test whether the issue is related to your normal browser setup. That's it. By clearing Chrome's cached files, disabling interfering extensions, and testing the site in incognito, you can usually fix loading issues quickly and get back to using NerdWallet without interruptions.